Hi everyone, it's Mariah Amanda. Welcome back to our channel. Ooh. So today we're going to be doing a stationery-esque video unboxing. So basically I was scrolling through the Instagram, checking out the bullet journaling stuff, and Tombow, the company that does the dual brush pens, had this post about using this code, and it was like ended up being $10 off an order. And so they were talking about the release of a new product, so I was like super excited. I went on immediately and ordered it. So I've been cat sitting for the past week, so I haven't been home. And ironically enough, I was looking through like my bank statement last night. I was like, what did I buy for $20 through PayPal? And it is so this is the Tombow. It's their new marker case. Go away. All right, so this is what it looks like. So basically the old one used to just be kind of like, I don't have it, but it used to be like a square and there's just like little slots for all of them. So this one actually has a top. So this is really cool. It has this like accordion feature, so you can line it up straight along your desk, which is kind of amazing. So to open it, I guess we just do this. And then there's one on the other side. Ooh, okay. So it says, let's just read what it says on here. Storage for Tombow dual brush pens and more, holds up to 108 markers. Folds out for easy desktop use, fully removable snap tight lid. So it shows on this side too that you can store the twin tone markers, other things like pencils, their Fudenosuke pens and stuff too. Yeah, so it says stores Tombow markers, pencils, brushes of various sizes. So I don't have 108 dual brush pens, I don't think, because I don't have the full collection yet. But I'm so excited for this. Okay, so that's the top, and this is the case. So it's really cool. It has the logo here, and then if you were to have it the other way, it has the logo on that side too. Man, this is so cool. Oh. Alright, so I thought maybe we could put some of my pens in it. What do you think? So, or markers, excuse me. So, my thought process here is there's two ways I could do this. I could do it by, like, number by color. So, from lowest to highest, like basically in color order, or I could do it by set, like this is the galaxy set, this is the pastel set, this is the landscape set, this is the gray scale, etc., etc. But I know some of them are duplicates because a few of the kits have black in them. So yeah. And some of them I use every day. Not every day, I have them in my day-to-day case. Okay, let's just start with the grayscale one because that's my first pack of these that I've ever had. So this is the first one I bought. I've been looking for a way to store these a little differently, so I'm super excited that I decided to do this. So I'm going to have a blender from each kit, so I'm gonna probably have to do something else with those. And as far as the Tombows goes in this series, the grayscale, the lower the number, the deeper it is. So N15 is, I think that's black. 25. Let's just do this for now. So each kit comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. So something like that. So I think what I am gonna do is try to organize them by color, I think. So let me just set this down. I wonder if I can just tilt my camera and show you. Okay, so it looks like I've been able to set it up kind of like that. So hopefully you guys will be able to see me play. So right now I'm consulting Pinterest. I know I've pinned like a spread idea for all the Tombow colors, I'm pretty sure. So this is the one from Tombow. It's like a color wheel. So I believe it starts with yellow and then works its way up as far as numerical value goes. Yeah, I was right. So it goes, oh sorry, I don't know if you can see that. So it goes from yellow and up. So I'm gonna go by this. Sound good? So like I said before, I have a blender and a black in multiple of the palettes, so I'm gonna set those aside and we'll see what we're gonna do with those. Okay, so 020. So you know what's so funny is a color like this that looks like green is technically gray. Crazy. Okay, so it looks like I have a duplicate of this one too, the 990. So it looks like the brownie like colors are on the higher end of the spectrum in the 900s. Yeah, this is 912, 9. So you have two of those as well. It looks like the next colors in the spectrum are kind of like pinky reds as far as working from the highest down. So guys, I probably should have thought this video through more clearly. I just was like so excited to just throw these in my little kit. Oh, and you can't even see. Sorry guys. So basically I'm trying to arrange them by number because that's how they work. So we have the like brownie sandy colors which feed into red, which then feed into pink, purple, etc. I honestly thought I had more than this though, which just sounds crazy because this is a lot. So now green. That is one thing that is frustrating is that the numbers were off. So this is a mint green. So I forget which color it is though. So then the other greens are next. 228, 249, 296. Then we go into the aquas and the blues. So I know I have 452 somewhere, so I'm going to leave a spot for that. So then we're going to do 426, 28, 553, and 555. And next we have purple. So we have 606, 620, looks like I have way less than I thought, guys. So let's just, honestly, guys, this sounds crazy, but I thought I had way more than this. I wonder if I'm missing a set of the ones that I have somewhere, and I can't think of what it is. I do have all of these as well. These are, these are like my extras, my duplicates, so I'll put them in here as well. Ta-da! Okay guys, so we're back from the overhead view, and like I said, I honestly thought I had more markers than this, which is a weird thing to be like confused about, but I guess I just felt like because I had multiple packs of them that I had more of the set, and I don't know if that's just because like I haven't gotten the bright set and I haven't gotten the like secondary colors, like the main primary colors. Maybe that's just why, but I guess I always just thought that if you were buying all of the packs, you would get the whole collection, but I guess that's not the case. So I might just fill the rest up with my twin tone markers. I know that's like a little slip. I'm gonna do another stationery haul, so yeah. So I'll probably put those in here too. So I'm super excited about this, especially because I can just like boom and they're all out there for me. I do like the idea of having them in color coordinated order. So yeah, so good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!